Hi guys, I am so excited. Our cabinets for our kitchen came in today. I know I've been sharing a lot of my house renovations on Instagram, but I'm actually going to share this one on YouTube because I think it is so important. So I was hesitant to trust in myself to design my own kitchen because they just really make it seem very complicated. But we went to our local kitchen design store. And after we got the estimate back, I was blown away. They were actually going to charge us $50,000 just for the cabinets, no appliances. So by the time we're done, I mean, it would cost us so much money. I will always, I will always try to save us money. So what I did is I did a lot of research and I found this cabinet store, and actually HGTV and all of the HGTV shows use RTA store, and I am blown away. I knew I was kind of taking a risk because I wasn't really familiar with them, but look at this. So this is my initial review of what we received. These say Fabuwood. They are solid wood construction, solid wood bottoms. There's no press board in here. That's what I was concerned about. Solid wood construction. These are not stock, like something you'd buy at Lowe's. We actually have some of those in our home for our pantry and our laundry room. We just ran out and got stock Lowe's cabinets, and they're also shaker style. And these are not what these are so much more well constructed. These are solid, okay? Solid plywood sides, solid wood, but check this out. They're also soft close, okay? Soft close. Look. And I'm not getting paid from RTA store. I just want to show you how to save money. And I am so excited. Now, the hardest part about designing the kitchen for me was coming up with a plan, but they make it somewhat simple with these new apps. I got Magic Plan app to actually do a floor plan myself. And then the hardest part for me is, because I'm not a math person, was to actually plan it out and take all the measurements and kind of have that visual, because I didn't have a visual. I just had this kind of roughed kitchen. All our cabinets are gone, and it was very stressful. But let me tell you how much we saved by ordering these cabinets directly from RTA store. We saved $38,000 on our kitchen. No lie. All of the cabinets that I was going to order from our local store, who were going to charge us $50,000, were only $12,000. And I'm not saying only, like I still know that's a lot of money. But if you're going to redesign your kitchen and invest in your kitchen, why not save the money and put that money towards something else? So I am so excited. Please follow along and subscribe to my channel, because I have so much more I'm going to show you. I haven't shared a lot about my room reveals. We're renovating our entire home, but there's more to come. And if you follow my Instagram page, it's at Abreu Jewelry. You will see a lot of my room reveals, my before and afters. So follow me there. Thanks, guys.